The Airbus A220 has been widely regarded as one of the most successful aircraft during the pandemic. But where has the A220 been used the most? Is North America where the A220 does best? In this video, let's explore the role of the A220 in North America. Stay tuned. Before I dive into this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. More great aviation content is on the way. This week, 99.6% of you were still not subscribed to the channel, so let's try to get that number higher by next week. Also, if you'd like to support the channel and get access to perks, shoutouts, access to my exclusive Discord community with giveaways and more, check out channel memberships by clicking the join button right next to the subscribe button on my channel. The Airbus A220 was one of the most used aircraft during the COVID-19 pandemic. While many airliners were parked, the A220 continued service domestically for many airlines. But what is the role of this highly versatile aircraft in North America? Well, there are currently 3 A220 operators in North America: Air Canada, Delta, and JetBlue. But each of these airlines operate and have ordered a massive amount. Delta will eventually operate 95, JetBlue 70, and finally Air Canada will eventually operate at least 33. Each of these carriers are very committed to the A220 by placing huge orders for the type. But why have these American airlines ordered the A220? Well, for most of these airlines, there is a clear answer. For example, at Air Canada, the A220-300 that they've ordered are replacing the aging Airbus A319s that the airline has had. Many have already been retired, and eventually all of their A319s are expected to be retired once the airline receives their A220s. In both Delta's and JetBlue's case, the A220's role in replacing an aircraft is also key. At Delta, the A220 has a key role in replacing the beloved Mad Dog MD-88 and 90, and of course the Boeing 737-700. At JetBlue, the A220 is important in replacing their 60 Embraer E190s. Each of the airlines currently operating the A220 in North America are using the aircraft as a replacement to one of the workhorses in their fleet. For Delta, the MDs were essential in connecting smaller destinations to its many hubs, and then rerouting them to their final destination. The Airbus A220 is perfect in replacing such aircraft, as it boasts modern technologies and far superior fuel efficiency, range, capacity, and less sound pollution. Not only does the A220 replace the workhorses of these fleets, it is a significant upgrade. To take one example, the E190s that the A220 is replacing in JetBlue's fleet are configured with 100 seats, while the A220-300s that are being operated in ordered seat 140. The A220 not only as a unit is far more fuel efficient, but also per seat. Airlines don't need to worry about filling the whole aircraft in order to make a profit, as the superior efficiencies make it feasible to operate the aircraft even in tough situations similar to the COVID-19 pandemic. The role the A220 has in North America aviation is bright. Not only are these 3 airlines going to operate the A220, but also the new airline Breeze. The future of the A220 in replacing and upgrading airlines' fleets has been established, and will be an aircraft that should be flying the skies in the years to come. What do you think about the A220? Is the future of the Airbus A220 grounded in North America? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you haven't already, make sure to consider showing your support by subscribing to the channel. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.